Picture, bro. Hey.
There's no way, right? No. I just say that's unreal. That's unreal. Like I'm trying to think like a single turn his back and the nigga just like this on his cameraman. Like he said, "We don't want no picture. You don't want no picture?" Choke the cameraman. Like that is so crazy to me in my head. Like there's no fucking way. No, it's not funny. It's not funny. No, I'm saying it's not funny. But what I'm saying is like I can't imagine like Cinco turn around and he's like, "No, we don't want no picture, bro." And he turned back around. He just see his cameraman just giving. Like there's no way that Copa's in.